Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background of your Zoom meetings on Zoom. So select new meeting first, and as you can see, I already have a background. If it doesn't work, you're going to just basically reinstall the app. That's the best advice. So if you go to video here, there's going to be an adjust background and effects. You can select from these, or you can even add your own images or videos here as well. So for instance, this Roblox one that I have. And you can add in an avatar as well here. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!